Gino Pettis Adventures. I'm still Gino. First day of the rest of your life, and if nothing changes, nothing's going to change. So I'm going to help you change some stuff here today. Pay attention. Watch it to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you get plenty more of these. I have come to the conclusion that the reason a lot more people don't come to Colombia is that maybe they just don't know how to do the hard lifting, or maybe they don't want to do the hard lifting, or maybe they're confused about doing the hard lifting. So I'm going to make it really easy for you. I have come up with a program by which, or by whatever, you, that's you, the guy on the couch, yeah, that's you, can come down here, and all you have to do is get an airplane ticket. Well, number one, your passport, an airplane ticket, and a bag of the clothes that you would like to wear. And come on down. And what I will do for you, I will hold your hand and walk you through the entire process from start to finish, even to help you get your passport, even to help you get your airplane ticket, even to help you get your booty down here. It's a total consulting package from point A to point B, and all you got to do is show up. And what I'm going to do for you, I'm going to pick you up at the Bucaramanga airport. Or my stepson will pick you up, which is, it's better. He's probably a better driver than I am anyway. I'm going to bring you to San Gil, or where I live. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a lot of things. We're going to, number one, get you set up in a hotel for as long as it takes to find you a proper place to live. We're going to find you a proper place to live. We're going to go rent that place with or without furniture. We can buy it, we can do it with furniture, we can do it without. We can rent a place that's furnished, rent a place that's not, and you can buy excuse me, you can buy your furniture. So we'll get your place, we'll get your furniture, we'll get you settled in. After you get the hotel, we'll get you settled in. We're going to get you an attorney paid for. We're going to get you insurance paid, health insurance paid for, so you can get your visa. That is if you want to get a visa. If you just want to come live for 6 months, that's a whole different deal. But if you want to come down here and live for it from now on, I will help set you up. So we're going to have your hotel first, and your place to live second, and we're going to get you an attorney, and we're going to get you health insurance. We're going to get all the stuff you need for a forever visa. Well, not a forever visa. They're usually 1 year or 3 year visas, and you can figure it out. But you can come down and you can live long enough to see if you want to live here. I will personally walk you through the entire process. When you get here, I will help you with the attorney. I will help you with the health care. I will help you buy your furniture. I will do the whole enchilada. I will be your transport. And when it's all said and done, at the end of the day, you will have a nice apartment or house furnished with an attorney that's started the wheels turning to get all of your stuff that's required to have a visa here. And we'll do the whole enchilada for you, walk you through, hold your hand the entire time, keep you out of trouble. And when it's all said and done, if you can pass the visa requirements, you will have a 1 to 3 year retirement visa, or if you're married to a Colombian visa, there's a lot of different visas that you can have. And in a later video, I will explain all of those visas. So what do you think? You got no excuses now, buddy. All you got to have some money. And you give Gino some money, and Gino will walk you through the entire enchilada like you were Tio Leo. Uncle Leo, I'm bringing Uncle Leo to Colombia, and I'm setting him up, and I'm keeping him out of trouble, and I'm showing him the ropes, and what more can you ask for? It takes the fear away. You don't have to worry, because it'll all be said and done when we're done. And then one or two things will happen. If you really, 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 really like it, you can continue here forever. If you don't, or for some stretch of the imagination you can't get your visa, well, you go home. No harm, no foul. So I hope that was detailed enough to get you to call me. And if you get me to call you, if you call me at 505-501-8889, I'll walk you through the whole process and tell you what the cost is. No harm, no foul. If you like it, fine. If you think the cost is too much, God bless. That being said, just call me on the phone. Remember, it is the first day of the rest of your life, and if nothing changes, nothing's going to change. So remember, it's the first day of the rest of your life. Nothing changes. God bless you, and we will see you on the flip side. Call me, 505-501-8889.